Hey, what's up guys? It's Doodle Clubhouse and today we're going to draw a unicorn. So we're going to start with this C shape and then we're going to draw a curved line up. We're going to draw a curved line at the bottom as well. Then next we're going to draw the ear. So we're going to create a pointy shape like that and then we're going to draw a curved line connecting to the other lines we just drew, and then we're going to draw it over and create this swirl shape and come back to the ear. We're going to draw a curved line connecting to the first line we drew, and those lines that we just drew are going to be the hair of the unicorn. Just drawing some more hair here that's gonna go down the unicorn's back or the unicorn's neck. We're gonna draw a curved line straight down and then a little U shape just like that, kind of like the unicorn's looking down, or it has its eyes closed. So we're just drawing a couple more details for the hair and the horn of the unicorn. So we're gonna have to go in and delete or erase that line right there. And it's starting to get there. We're going to draw these little cloud shapes. So we're going to draw one more cloud shape right here. And then we're going to draw curved lines connecting the two cloud shapes. And it's almost like an upside down rainbow that we're drawing right now. We're going to draw some flowers around the unicorn, just kind of floating, around the unicorn, just for some extra details for the picture. So we drew 3 on the left side. And now we're going to draw 2 on the right side, creating a total of 5. Then we're just going to draw a couple of these star shapes just using lines. You start with an X and then you draw a T to create that star. And it looks like we're good. We can start coloring it, guys.